स्क्रीन शेअर होते का? Now next, formation of, in last lecture we finished the formation of methane molecules, and same with the formation of ethane molecule. Formation of ethane molecule, formation of ethane molecule. In ethane, both carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. One sp3 hybrid orbital of each carbon atom overlap coaxially giving rise to a strong sigma bond. Between them. Strong sigma bond between them. Remaining 3 sp hybrid orbitals. Remaining 3 sp hybrid orbitals. 3 sp3 hybrid orbitals overlap with of each carbon overlap with 3 1s orbital of hydrogen coaxially and form 3 sigma bonds The carbon-carbon bond length in saturated compound. The carbon-carbon bond length. The carbon-carbon bond length. Carbon-carbon bond length. In saturated compound. Is found to be 1.54 angstrom unit, and HCH bond angle is 109.5 degree. This is the structure hybridization of sp3. Ethane contains CH3 and CH3. CH3. This carbon atom is sp3 hybridized and one carbon from 4 sp3, and out of 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, one sp3 hybrid orbital is overlapped with the second sp3 hybrid orbitals. This is first structure overlapping. This and this. 4 sp3 hybrid orbital, and this S1 is overlapped with the second sp3 hybrid orbital is overlapped with T to form sigma bond, carbon carbon sigma bond, carbon carbon sigma bond, carbon carbon sigma bond. आवाज म्यूट करा, कोणाचा आवाज येतो? Carbon carbon sigma bond, and remaining 3 sp3 hybrid orbital is overlapped with the hydrogen to form carbon hydrogen sigma bond. त्यावेळेस काय तयार होईल? कार्बन हायड्रोजन सिग्मा बॉन्ड. CH H and H. 3H H H and H, CH3. And this carbon also overlap with the 3 remaining sp3 hybrid orbital is overlapped with hydrogen to form sp3s carbon hydrogen sigma bond H H and H. H and H. This is the formation of ethane molecule. Both carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. This is sp3 hybridized. This carbon is also sp3 hybridized. And one sp3 hybrid orbital of each carbon atom. They have carbon sp3 and this carbon sp3 overlap coaxially, giving rise to strong sigma bond between them. This is the carbon carbon sigma bond is formed by sp3 overlap. sp3 and sp3 overlap. sp3 overlap. And remaining 6 sigma bond, that is carbon hydrogen sigma bond, is formed by sp3s. One electron of hydrogen is present in the s orbital, sp3s, and they give 3 sigma bond for one carbon atom and 3 sigma bond for the other carbon atom. This is the formation of ethane molecule. Formation of ethane. Now next, sp2 hybridization, trigonal hybridization. sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. To hybridization, trigonal. Hybridization. This is trigonal hybridization. Trigonal hybridization. Trigonal hybridization. Example, formation of ethylene molecule, CH2, CH2. Example, formation of ethylene molecule, C2H4, C2H4. ethene, the structure of ethene is like this: H2C double bond CH2, double bond CH2. This is the sp2 hybridization. What is the sp2? In ethylene, both carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Ethylene मध्ये काय? This carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. This carbon is also sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized. म्हणजे दोन्ही कार्बन काय त्याच्यात हे sp2 hybridized. In sp2 hybridization, what happens during sp2 hybridization? During sp2 hybridization, during sp2 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, one 2s orbital, one 2s orbital and two 2p orbitals and two 2p orbitals hybridize to form three sp2 hybrid orbitals, to form three sp2 hybrid orbitals, to forms three sp2 hybrid orbitals. One of the 2p orbitals, one of the 2p orbitals, one of the 2p orbitals does not participate in the hybridization, does not participate in the hybridization, the three sp2 hybrid orbitals, the three sp2 hybrid orbitals sp2 hybrid orbitals are in one plane, and make an angle of 120 degree, and make an angle of 120 degree each other, 120 degree to each other. And the unhybridized 2p z orbital, the degree DGRE degree, the one unhybridized unhybridized 2p z orbital remain perpendicular to the plane to the plane of the sp2 of the sp2 hybrid orbital. sp2 hybrid orbitals. Now we study the formation of ethene molecule or ethylene molecule. Ethylene molecule contains carbon-carbon double bond, and both carbon atoms which are present in ethylene molecules are sp2 hybridized. म्हणजे ethylene मध्ये जे दोन्ही कार्बन आहेत ते कसे आहेत हे sp2 hybridization आणि sp2 hybridization. What is meant by the sp2? During this hybridization, one 2s orbital and two 2p orbitals hybridize to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. याच्यामध्ये किती होतील तयार? 3 hybrid orbitals तयार होतील. एक 2s पासून आणि दोन 2p orbitals overlaps to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. And one of the 2p orbitals does not participate in the hybridization. And this is the electronic configuration for carbon. In excited state, one unpaired electron in 2s orbital and 3 unpaired electron present in 3 2p orbitals. This is unpaired and this unpaired. And one in 2p z orbital. आता काय होईल? In sp2 hybrid orbitals, one 2s orbital and 3 2p orbitals like this. They combine to each other, they forms sp2 hybrid orbitals. होतील का 3 ऑर्बिटल? 1 आणि 2p आहेत का? 1 आणि 2p orbitals, total 3 hybrid orbitals they forms, and one of the hybrid orbitals does not take part in the hybridization. That is 2p orbitals does not participate in the hybridization. म्हणजे हा काय 2p z काय झाला? One unpaired electron असलेला ऑर्बिट तसंच झाला. The 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are in one plane. म्हणजे हे जे काही 3 hybrid orbitals आहेत 2s, 2px and 2py. The 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are in one plane and make an angle of 120 degree to each other. या दोघांचा काय बनलेला अँगल 120 डिग्री हे each other. And the unhybridized 2pz orbital remains perpendicular to the plane of the sp2 hybrid orbitals. म्हणजे जो काही unhybridized orbital which does not participate, that is the 2pz orbital, is remain perpendicular to the plane of sp2 hybrid orbitals. Next, the sp2 hybrid orbital bonds formation in ethene molecule. The sp2 hybrid orbitals the sp2 hybrid orbitals of one carbon overlaps with sp2 hybrid orbital of another carbon coaxially and forms strong sigma bond. A strong sigma bond between carbon atom. Sigma bond. The remaining 4 sp2 orbitals, the remaining 4 sp2 orbitals overlap with 1s orbital of 1s orbital of 4 hydrogen. Orbitals of 4 hydrogen of 4 hydrogen 4 hydrogen atoms to form a carbon hydrogen sigma bond. Carbon hydrogen bonds, sigma bonds coaxially. Sigma bonds coaxially. One unhybridized 2p-Z undergo one unhybridized 2p-Z orbital undergo sideways orbital on each carbon on each carbon is at right angles to the plane containing the carbon and hydrogen undergo sideways or lateral overlap to form pi bond. Thus in ethylene there is a carbon carbon double bond there is a carbon carbon double bond out of which one is sigma bond, sigma bond lecture lagile. One is sigma bond and other is pi bond other is the pi bond. This is the formation of ethylene molecule. Ethylene मध्ये काय? The sp2 hybrid orbitals of one carbon overlaps with sp2 hybrid orbitals of the other carbon atom. This is first carbon atom. We consider like this. and these 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. एक थोड़ा correction. This should be trigonal. Like this. Right? 1, 1 आणि 2 आणि हे 3. 1, 2, 3 हे ट्रायगोनल आहेत का? Therefore it is called the trigonal hybridization like this. And this is unhybridized orbital to be Z. This overlap with hydrogen atom, these 2. Hydrogen. Now this unhybridized or hybridized orbital overlap with carbon, second carbon atom to form carbon-carbon sigma bond. इथं काय तयार झाला हा carbon-carbon sigma bond. This one, and this is the second, and this is unhybridized orbitals. And these 2 sp2 hybrid orbital overlap with 1s orbital of the hydrogen atom. याच्यासोबत overlap होईल हे 1s orbital of hydrogen atom H and H. And this is second unpaired electron present in 2pz orbitals. Now these 2 hybrid orbitals undergo sideways overlap. हे कसं जातील? Sideways overlap जातील to forms carbon-carbon pi bond. इथं काय तयार होईल? Carbon-carbon हा pi bonds तयार होईल. This is the formation of ethene molecules or ethylene molecules. Ethylene molecule मध्ये काय? sp2 hybridizations. 1 carbon overlaps with sp2 hybrid orbital of other. हा एक sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap झालेला आहे दुसऱ्या कार्बन वरती to forms sp2 sigma bond. रे कार्बन-कार्बन सिग्मा बॉन्ड तयार झाला. And remaining 4 sp2 hybrid orbitals. ह्या कार्बन वरचे 2 आणि ह्या कार्बन वरचे 2. किती झाले total 4 sp2 orbitals overlap with 1s orbital of 4 hydrogen atoms. कशासोबत overlap होतील? 4 hydrogen atoms सोबत with their 1s orbital to forms carbon hydrogen sigma bond. कुठला बॉन्ड तयार होईल का? Carbon hydrogen sigma bond coaxially, and 1 unhybridized 2pz orbital on each carbon atom is at right angles to the plane containing carbon hydrogens. क्या है का? 1 unpaired electrons, it is perpendicular, undergoes sideways overlaps to form carbon-carbon double bond. That bond is called the pi bond. This is the formation of ethene molecules. लक्षात आलं इथेनचं formation. Now next, sp hybridization. Next, third type and last, तीनच hybridization organic chemistry होतात. sp3, sp2 and sp hybridization. sp hybridization. sp hybridization. sp hybridization. sp hybridization. Formation of acetylene molecule C2H2. Formation of acetylene molecule. Acetylene molecule. In acetylene both carbon atoms are sp hybridized. During this hybridization, during this hybridization, one 2s orbital, one 2s orbital, one 2s orbital, and one 2p orbital, and one 2p orbital hybridize to form two sp hybrid orbitals. To form two sp hybrid orbitals. sp hybrid orbitals. Two 2p orbitals. Two 2p orbitals do not participate in the hybridization. Do not participate in the hybridization. The two sp hybrid orbitals, are equivalent and linear, that is at an angle of 180 degree to each other. And the sp hybrid orbital of one carbon, the sp hybrid orbitals of one carbon overlaps with sp hybrid orbital of another carbon coaxially and forms a strong sigma bond. The remaining two sp hybrid orbitals, overlap with 1s orbital of hydrogen atoms. 1s orbital of hydrogen atoms with to form two CH sigma bonds. Sigma bonds. and the resulting molecule is linear. आणि molecule कसा असेल हे linear molecules. This is the formation of ethylene molecules. This is sp2 hybrid orbitals which not take part in hybridization. Four hybrid orbitals. Two are not take part in the hybridization process. These are vacant hybrid orbitals, one unpaired electrons, and these overlap with the hydrogen, CH bond formation. CH bond formation. And this sp hybrid orbital overlap with second carbon atom sp hybrid orbitals. Second sp hybrid orbitals like this, and they forms carbon carbon sigma bond. याच्यातून काय तयार होईल? Carbon carbon sigma bond. This is here and this, and this overlap with the hydrogen atom, sps hydrogen, sps hydrogen, and this is unhybridized sp hybrid orbitals, one unpaired electron. This is here. Now these two unhybridized atomic orbitals undergo sideways overlap. हे काय होतील? Sideways overlap ला जातील and two forms carbon carbon two double bonds. एक 2py and second is 2pz hybrid orbitals overlap and they forms carbon carbon double bond. Carbon carbon double bond. This is the formation of acetylene molecule. हे अशा रीतीने formation झालं. That means in acetylene contains two pi bonds. Two pi bonds. म्हणजे जिथे जिथे carbon carbon double bond आहे ते काय दोन pi bond आहेत and one sigma bond between carbon carbon and two sigma bond carbon hydrogen. म्हणजे total किती sigma bond आहेत acetylene मध्ये? 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. One carbon hydrogen, 2 carbon hydrogen and 1 carbon carbon sigma bond, and this bond is formed by sp-sp overlapping. हा जो काय आहे तो sp-sp ने, आणि carbon hydrogen it is sp and s orbital of hydrogen, and these two are the sideways overlap and they have linear geometry. आहे का पाहिजे? Linear geometry. Carbon असं सरळ structure काढा. They have linear geometry. sp is the linear geometry and bond angle is 180 degree and bond length is 1.20 angstrom unit. 20 angstrom unit. This is the formation of acetylene molecules. लक्षात आलं acetylene molecules formation. आणि हे व्हिडिओ सगळे आपण कॉलेजच्या वेबसाईटला अपलोड केलेले आहेत लेक्चरचे. तुम्ही कॉलेजच्या वेबसाईटला गेलात तर hrmrajgurunagar.ac.in टाका. त्याच्यामध्ये ई कंटेंट लर्निंगला जायचं आणि FY BSc सिलेक्ट करायचं. तुम्हाला मी दाखवतो. स्क्रीन शेअर होते का? ही स्क्रीन शेअर होते का? अरे स्क्रीन शेअर होते का? हे कॉलेजची वेबसाईट दिसेल. हे पहा कॉलेजची वेबसाईट ओपन झाली. तुम्हाला इथं खाली आल्यानंतर ई लर्निंगचा ऍप दिसेल. हे पहा इथं ई लर्निंगचा ऍप आहे. ई लर्निंगच्या ऍपला क्लिक केलं तुम्ही, इथं क्लास सिलेक्ट करायचा. UG FY स्ट्रीम सायन्स